So today I received my new Magnus wagon. It's a half-size goods wagon, which I will use for my shale locomotive to fill up with wood. This will be seen or shown in one of the next videos. But anyhow, what I changed is when I received it, it was a blank. It's all parts are made of metal. That's important, but they were all just a single brown, so I rather give an old finish. And I replaced again these incredible Brickle pressure tubes. They are ridiculous. They break in seconds. If you touch them, they fall off. And I replaced them with these very fine ones made of brass. And then I used airbrush to change the style to an old finish, as you may see here. And now I'm happy with the wagon, and it will go now on my shade train.